Hey everybody, welcome back. The Spring Baking Championship kicks off on the Food Network this Monday, and a local chef is competing.
She is here with us now, pastry chef Kim Wood, French bakery, and I want you to say it because I'm going to mess it up. How do you pronounce properly your bakery in Simsbury?
Yeah, it's called Le Bon Patisserie.
La Bonne Patisserie.
Yes,
okay.
correct.
And that name has meaning.
It does.
Tell me a little bit about the meaning behind it.
Yes, so bon means cake in Vietnamese, so I'm 100% Vietnamese, and le is the in French, so it's the cake.
And you came to the country when you were 5, is that right?
When I was 3, yes.
When you were 3?
Yes.
Even younger?
Even younger.
Oh my goodness gracious. Well, God bless you. We so appreciate you being here today.
Thank you so much.
All right, so tell us, you're on this show. You got this big premiere coming up. Tell us a little bit about what happened.
That's right. So I was one of the chosen 12 to be able to compete for $25,000 on Spring Baking Championship, and following my dream and passion, I'm able to compete in doing something what I love. So yeah.
Well, and the challenge, part of it was, it's the Spring Baking Challenge on the Food Network. So the challenge, you had to use fruit, and this is so gorgeous. And you're going to show us a little bit how to make it. I'm sure we can't make it as well as you, but
it's fairly simple. So yes, so I kind of replicate what I had to do on the first challenge, on the first episode. So this is my my recreation.
Okay.
So I have the sablé, vanilla bean sablé, and I'm already pre-made, baked and pre-made. And then here is my vanilla bean pastry cream. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pipe it around and fill it up. And
Kim, was it hard to be on the show with Under the Pressure and things like that?
Definitely, it was very hard. I thought that 10 years of experience in corporate pastries and then restaurant-wise, I thought I got it all down. But when when I landed on competing with 12 great people, it's just really hard, especially on the time crunch.
Oh my God!
Oh my gosh! So
I can't even imagine.
Yes, for sure. So right now I'm just cutting the strawberries and just kind of assembling it.
So you leave the green on sometimes. Is that for decor? Or was it,
This is for just decor, but as you can see, I already made it. So whenever I plate anything, it needs to be all edible. And so with this, it's all edible with 24 karat gold and then edible flowers. So, but
24 karat gold.
like gold leaf that you eat?
Yes, for sure. So if you consume a little bit of the gold, you can, it's edible, but not too much. So there's a little bit of edible gold on there.
Oh,
yes.
I see it. There it is. Edible gold leaf.
I've never seen it. I don't think I've ever seen anything like it. Maybe I have. I don't know.
Yes. So for this, I just want to have a little green onto my tart. So that's why I'm leaving it on. Typically, like I said, I don't leave not edible stuff on there.
Now, and Kim, you went to school for business. You majored in business, and here you are baking. Tell us a little bit about that transition.
Right. So a funny story. Growing up in very Vietnamese culture, my parents, instill us education is number one thing, right? So I was, a couple classes shy of graduating with a business degree. I kind of wanted to quit school and go to culinary school. That didn't go too well.
It didn't go over too well.
Not at all. So then I kind of promised my parents, I'll finish school and then I can go to culinary school. So that's what I did. I graduated with a degree in business at University of Oklahoma, and then I went to culinary school.
But you know what?
Amazing.
You need the business to run your business.
That's right. So it all worked out. Thanks, Mom and Dad.
Yeah, see, they might have known a little bit of something.
For sure.
You know what I like about the decorating with fruit? I don't think you don't think you could do it as well as you because this is such a talent. But it's unlike icing. The fruit is already beautiful, so you can't mess it up.
Definitely, yeah. So as long as all the fruits is great, it's super easy decorations. And so pretty much what I'm doing is just adding all these different types of fruits on, berries on, and it's
But it looks so beautiful. I don't think I could ever construct something like that. It's just amazing.
Oh, thank you so much. I mean, it's fairly simple.
And then what do we have here?
So what we have here is
that's the gold leaf.
No, this is apricot glaze. So what it does, it's kind of like seal the fruit from when it's being refrigerated, so the fruit doesn't get all shriveled up, and also it gives a little shine, as you can see. And it's just a little bit more, a hint more of sugar.
How do you make an apricot glaze?
So the apricot glaze is just kind of typically a jam.
A jam, like an
Yes.
apricot jam?
Yes, so it's just an apricot jam, and I just kind of dilute it with water a little bit, and then make it into kind of like a thick syrup.
Just warm it up a little.
That's right.
That's it. And it makes everything so beautiful.
It does. It makes it look absolutely
It
outstanding.
makes me really excited for spring.
Did you get to meet Molly, the show host?
I did, yes.
What is she like?
She's a doll. Like
Really?
literally, yes. So anything you see on TV with Molly, that's her in real life. Like she is so sweet, very, very sweet.
Oh, that's so nice. That's
Yeah.
good to know.
That's
I like
good
when
to
I hear
know.
that.
Okay, so here's the gold leaf. Let's
So
see
this is the gold leaf,
You
yeah.
use a knife to put it on very carefully, I guess.
Yeah, either a knife or a
You just
or a
dot it.
toothpick. Yep, just a dot it, and also the glaze is kind of like a glue, so pretty much just dot it anywhere.
Just
and
little flecks of it. Okay.
That's right. And like I said,
That's
it's
so
edible gold.
gorgeous.
It is absolutely gorgeous.
And then I made so this is blueberry. I kind of glaze it with
Powdered sugar?
So sugars, sandy sugars, correct. So powdered sugars, and it's just a little bit white, and it kind of like adds into like a
Different
different
color?
element.
yeah, it really looks beautiful.
Oh my
and it took you
gosh.
a second to construct that. I'm sure
Well,
it takes
that's
a
why
long.
she's on the Food Network
Exactly,
Spring Baking
'cause there
Championship.
was a time
But can we
thing.
get this if we come to your bakery in Simsbury?
Yes, definitely. Yes,
Ah.
this is what I'm going to be introducing at my bakery in during the spring, because what screens springs and
Springtime
fruits.
better than that.
Yeah,
That is
Le Bon
awesome.
Patisserie.
Now, are your
Where in
parents?
Simsbury?
Yeah, where in Simsbury?
Yes, it's going to be at 542 Hot Meadow Street, right in downtown of Simsbury.
Oh, that's terrific. Are your
near my
parents proud
mother.
of you?
I hope so. Yes, they were very, very proud. My whole family has been so supportive of my whole journey, and I couldn't be where I am without them.
Well, we think you're
Yes.
terrific. Thank you so much for coming on the show.
Thank you so much.
And the show premieres Monday on the Food Network, so we can see how you do. I'm so excited for you. Good luck on the Spring Baking Championship.
Thank you so much.